ability to duplicate and to become whatever we want. We need those cells in our body because we need to replace cells which do not divide. So it is vital for us. But those cells have telomeres and they have DNA. And they are damaged like the others. So the most important is to keep our stem cells pool in good health. So to make a long story short, we have 3 reasons to age: DNA damage, telomere shortening, and the shrinking of our stem cells pool. And you will understand now what we are doing, how coherent we are in Jeunesse, because we are focusing on these 3 way of aging. And good example, the first one is reserve. Reserve, and you have one word on the top called resveratrol. I understand it's not easy to say resveratrol, but resveratrol is an ingredient, reserve is a finished product. In fact, we have 8 different ingredients in this product, which one of them is resveratrol. Why we have all that? Because they are strong antioxidants. And I told you, oxidation is the major cause of DNA damage. You see, you know very quickly what is oxidation. You see an apple when it's to the air become brown. You see, and we have a lot of antioxidant in our body, but on top of that, when we eat a lot of colored foods, we have many antioxidants inside. And this is why we use all these called exotic fruits in our reserve. Now, in this way, reserve can be considered as a DNA repair if you take it every day. Now, there is another thing which is even most interesting in reserve. It will increase longevity, and I will tell you how. Do you know that if we eat less, we can live longer? Do you agree or not? Yes. If we eat 40% less in terms of calorie, we can live 30% more. That's good news?
Yeah.
Why? We always want to understand why. Why eating less can increase longevity? Well, we have to go back to the world of genetics very quickly. As I told you, we have 20 to 30,000 genes. But the problem is that they are not working all the time together. Only 10% of these genes are working full time. The other one are sleeping. They are sleeping and activated when it's needed, or sometimes they sleep all our life. Don't ask me why. Nature has not given still the secret of that. So sometimes, you know, what happens is we have what we call survival gene. If we are starving, suddenly some genes will start to be activated to save us. We call it survival genes. And one of them or 2 of them are called sirtuin genes. When you starve, they get activated. And guess what happens when they get activated? They boost all our system. We become superwoman and superman. Every day we have more energy. Why? Because these genes activate a lot of proteins which activate systems like immune system, cardiovascular system, and many others. So, yes, if you starve, you are activating these Superman genes. Now, it's not practical to not eat every day or to eat 40% less. Some people are doing that, but after a while they start to be a little tired. So scientists try to find out if we can have the same effect, means activating this gene without going to starve. And they find it, you know what? They find it in the red wine. In the red wine there is a family of chemicals called polyphenols. And this polyphenol give the red color to the wine. And they get the dark brown to the chocolate. They get the green to the green tea. Many, many herbs and many fruits are full of polyphenol. And one of them is called resveratrol. Now you see the relation with reserve and resveratrol. Resveratrol is one of the most powerful ingredients to mimic calorie restriction, which means when you give resveratrol, it's like your body is starving, but it is not. And then sirtuin genes are boosted, activated. So what are the health benefits of reserve, which contain antioxidant and resveratrol to boost our immune system and to boost all our things? The most important is endurance, energy. Much more energy with reserve. You see, you have energy.